Is your precision machining shop stuck against this capacity ceiling? Cylindrical grinding is an old trade, harder to hire for every year, and wages keep climbing. Yet one grinder operator can only watch one machine. So no matter how many machines you add, capacity stays capped by headcount. One operator per machine is a structural bottleneck. See the real problem. Grinder labor short and wages rising. Labor cost outpaces revenue. The one operator per machine model caps machine utilization. And on a cylindrical grinder, loading precision directly sets the grinding reference. Load it 0.5 millimeter off by hand, and the reference surface is scrap. The answer is a robot plus multi-machine coordination. One robot tends several cylindrical grinders, so one operator goes from watching one machine to watching four. Robot loading positions to plus minus 0.05 millimeters, 10 times the precision of manual's plus minus 0.5 millimeter, locking the grinding reference at the source. 3 cores. First, one robot serves 2 to 4 grinders, cycle balanced against the 45 to 90 second grinding cycle. Second, loading precision plus minus 0.05 millimeters, vision pre-measurement plus a V-block centering fixture plus the robot's 0.02 millimeter repeatability stacked. Third, online measurement plus auto compensation plus a phone alarm push enable 24-hour continuous unattended running. Watch the demo. The robot picks a shaft from the bin, vision pre-measures to confirm the dimension, moves to the first grinder to load and unload the finished part, then walks to the next. The loading of several grinders is sequenced by one robot, paced to each machine's grinding cycle, with no one standing at the machine. By the numbers, manual loading, plus minus 0.5 millimeter, one operator per grinder, 1 8-hour shift. Robot, plus minus 0.05 millimeters, one operator to 4 grinders, 24 hours continuous. Same headcount. For times the labor productivity and machine utilization goes from one shift to round the clock. This solution fits broadly. Bearings, automotive crankshafts, hydraulic rods, motor shafts, roller pins. One robot with vision-based auto changeover across 20 to 200 millimeter diameters. But there's a boundary. One robot tops out at 4 grinders. Beyond that, the robot itself becomes the new bottleneck, and you need a dual robot or ring cell layout. A lone robot past 4 grinders is the most common misspec. The core of cylindrical grinding automation isn't how fast the robot is. It's whether you can hold plus minus 0.05 millimeter reference precision while one operator watches 4 machines and utilization goes from one shift to 24 hours. Your grinding floor. How many machines per operator now? Still easy to hire grinders?